Soup spaghetti combines pasta cooked directly in a savory and creamy soup with mushrooms and spinach. This Western-style creation has become very popular in Japan, both at restaurants and at home. It's very easy to make in one pan. A full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Pull apart shimeji mushrooms into small pieces and cut the ham into small pieces. You can use whatever kinds of vegetables and proteins you have at home for this recipe. Heat the oil in a pan over medium-high heat and add the butter. Cook the ham and mushrooms for a couple of minutes. Then add the water and milk and bring to a boil. Then add the dried spaghetti, cover with a lid and cook over medium-low heat until al dente. Season the soup with salt and pepper and dissolve the miso paste into the soup. Add some baby spinach and cook for a minute and serve immediately. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top if you like. You can customize the soup any ways you like by adding more spices or swapping the soup base to dashi or chicken broth. Hope you try this easy and delicious dish.
美味しい。美味しいね。